Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am hooking you up with an absolute game changer. Imagine having an amazing new app on your streaming device that lets you watch brand new movies and TV shows completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pure entertainment. Sounds awesome, right? Well, you are in luck because I have a quick step-by-step installation guide that takes just a few minutes. I am going to show you exactly how to unlock this content on your screen today. You are watching TechVibes, your go-to spot for the absolute best streaming updates. Before we dive into these crazy codes, you need to make sure your device is fully protected. To run any of these side-loaded apps smoothly without your internet provider slowing you down, you definitely need to use NordVPN. It is a total no-brainer for keeping your streaming safe and private. I left the official installation link right down in the description and the pinned comments below, so grab that deal right now. Alright, let's get straight to the solution. Here are the top 10 absolute best downloader codes you need to use this month. Step 1 is the legendary code 250931. This code takes you straight to the TroyPoint toolbox, which is the ultimate holy grail for streaming fans. It gives you instant access to dozens of the most popular streaming apps, media players, and device cleaners all in one single place. It is super snappy and saves you a ton of research time. Step 2 is code 25143. This one redirects you directly to the official cinema app download page. If you love high-quality movie links and want a very clean, easy-to-use interface for your family, typing this code in is a total necessity. Step 3 is code 82915. This code instantly downloads the latest stable version of Kodi. If you want to build your own ultimate media center with custom add-ons for live sports and movies, this is the quickest shortcut available today. Step 4 is code 35621. Enter this to download Stremio. This app is an absolute powerhouse when you pair it with community torrent add-ons, delivering smooth 4K streams directly to your television. Step 5 is code 61028. This is the fast-track code for SmartTube. If you are tired of constant annoying commercial interruptions while trying to watch video creators on your television, this alternative client completely blocks those ads. Step 6 is code 74932. This code brings you right to the MX Player download link. You absolutely need a strong external video player because it fixes most video buffering issues and audio sync errors on your device. Step 7 is code 14829. Input this code to instantly fetch the downloader for VLC Media Player. It is an amazing tool that can play literally any video file format you throw at it with zero lag. Step 8 is code 93546. This code loads up the Aptoid TV market. If you feel restricted by the standard Amazon or Google app stores, this alternative marketplace lets you find thousands of extra apps completely free. Step 9 is code 47153. Use this code to download Analyty. This is an advanced network speed test tool that helps you check if your web connection is fast enough for high-definition streaming. Step 10 is code 52861. This final code instantly installs a premium cache cleaner tool. Running this app will wipe out hidden junk files on your device storage, making your entire streaming stick feel brand new and super snappy again. Now for your exclusive bonus tip, if you ever experience slow downloads inside the downloader app, or if your high-definition movies keep buffering, it might be your internet setup. Try changing your router settings from a standard connection to the faster 5 GHz band instead of the older 2.4 GHz band. Also, manually changing your device network settings to use the public DNS. 8.8.8.8 will instantly stabilize your stream. If you are plugging your device directly into an uncompressed media receiver, make sure you upgrade your old cable to a certified HDMI 2.1 cable to ensure your audio and 4K video signals do not drop out. Drop a comment right down below if you face any difficulty with these codes or setups. I monitor the comment section closely and I will reply within 1 hour to help you solve it. If this video helped you out today, please smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes for more daily tech fixes. You have got this setup totally handled, and I will see you guys in the very next video.